Eka region economic block kawuono oketo kokgie winjruok mabende ne otime kind riwruogno ero kod kambi manoero mar zipline ma igeno ni biro konyo e chwalo gige thieth kitiyo kod lony manyasani mabende ong'ere kaka drone. Chenro makamaendi igeno ni biro konyo ahinya e chwalo yedhe ne masiche mago eko mag tuoche mag apoya e gwengego eko mani kod yore maricho manyamburko ok nyal chopo e yono ero mapiyo piyo. Nyasi makamaendi no yore koda ka gavana ma kaunti ma Kakamega Migosi Wycliffe Oparanya mabende oyango ni kambi makeyo yedhe pacho kaendi osebedo kod achiedh nade mar keyo yedhe e gwenge ahinya to kindegi mag midhusi mar COVID-19. Kabende opuoyo ahinya chenro makoro biro konyo keyo yedhe e lony noero manyasani. Jalup gavana ma kaunti ma Kisumu korka kore manoero Dr. Matthews Owili mabende no wuoye lo gavana ma kaunti ma Kisumu to yango ni log ticha mar chenro noero ibiro tim e boma nieri ma Kisumu ka igeno ni lony makamano ero biro konyo counties mamoko bende ma ok gin jokanyo mar riwruogno ero mar Lake Region Economic Block.
In view of all this, we then agreed that currently the health product supply chain is quite mechanical, person-centered, and consists of transportation and movement from one point to another. It is human resource intensive and strains our already stretched personnel into non-clinical duties. Delays in any of these steps affects the overall turnaround time, which then affects the overall health service delivery and of course the outcomes. The timing couldn't have come at a better time than it is now. As we advance this health agenda, we continue to adopt technologies that solve problems and make health service delivery a more affordable yet effective venture. Drone delivery is the true definition of a strategy that makes sense when you do a cost-benefit analysis.
And we would want to see it upscaled in the broader sense, if it is in agriculture, the whole issue of what my CEC for the Mira County talked about. She talked about the SDGs, upscaling and so on. And she even talked about taking technology to the village. That's the future for us. And you would want to see the villages also getting this technology and probably getting the medicines and everything on time. And we therefore, as governors for the region, we support this. Within the upscaling of the national upscaling of universal health care and the commitments that we put in place, both national and county governments, the subnational governments, we are ensuring that health services is improved, and it is for this reason that I am now telling you that as counties from the region.
And at the Council of Governors, we agreed that all counties should at least set aside or allocate minimum 30% of their budget to health care and minimum 10% to agriculture. I'm happy to report that Kisii County is the highest in the entire country that allocates about 45% to health care. And let us appreciate them with their governor who is here. I've been trying, but I've not reached 45%. Yeah. So it is important that all counties embrace technology. I think our president, when he took over, he realized the importance of technology, and that's why he created a ministry in charge of ICT. I think His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta is the first one to create a specific ministry. Before, the ICT was just a department within other ministries. So he created one,